everyone. So we are going to be in conversation with Lalit Bhandari today, and I would like you to please introduce yourself so that we can know a little bit more about you.
Okay. So hi everyone. My name is Lalit Bhandari, and I am currently working for InfoEdge under the business of Shiksha.com as an assistant manager for the team of communities and counseling. My role is to curate content for various institutes and universities and keep a nice watch on their processes of admission, cutoffs, placements, overview, etc.
Okay.
As for my education, I'm a graduate in BSc Mass Communication, Advertising and Journalism from Masco Media, Noida. So yeah, that's where I completed my education from.
Okay. Great to know. Okay, so Lalit, today we are here to talk about a particular course in Excel that we were earlier having a conversation about. And would you like to elaborate a little on what the exact course is and from where did you complete this course?
Oh yes, absolutely. So I'm going to review a course that I recently completed from a platform called Udemy. It's a very famous platform
Yes.
for shortened courses, and the course was called Microsoft Excel Advanced Excel Formulas and Functions.
Okay.
I basically did this course to master some additional, MS Excel formulas and functions, and to learn more about data analysis.
Okay.
Since I had learned the basics of Excel very early in my school and college days, I was
Okay.
versed with the basics. However, I lacked quite some important formulas and functions of the MS Excel, which actually started, making my life a little tough at work, to be honest.
Okay.
Because a lot of manual efforts eventually started going into curating my larger data files, I thought I'll probably pursue this course and it will help me, which eventually did. Yeah.
Okay. So you found out that this was going to be a requirement if you want to really do well at work
Right.
and make your work faster, so to say.
Absolutely. That's when I realized that I'll probably have to pursue this course.
Okay, Lalit, so could you throw some light on the brief overview of the course? What does it cover, and how long did it take you to complete the course, and was it free? Was it paid? Anything else, like was it self-paced? Whatever you want to sort of highlight over there.
Right. So basically, this course, which is Microsoft Excel Advanced Excel Formulas and Functions, this comprises a total of 75 or more formulas and functions that you learn in a total of 11 sections or 11 chapters, as you may want to call it. It's how the course is divided in. The duration of the course is 8 hours in total, with almost 105 lecture videos.
Okay, so these are like recorded lecture videos that you have.
Absolutely. These lecture videos are all recorded and they're actually recorded by a well and renowned expert of MS Excel. And the expert actually gives all of this information in English language with proper subtitles to make a beginner's life also very easy.
Okay.
And the best part about the course is that you get a certification from Udemy at the end of the course. So that's the best part about it. And talking about the study material, the study material of the course is even available in the form of PDFs for the students to download and learn in their own pace as and when they want to. I think you also mentioned price of the course.
Yeah. Did you have to pay anything or while you were?
Absolutely. So basically, this course was paid, right? This course was paid, and I paid a total of 1,400 rupees in total, but it was actually reimbursed from my workplace because I actually pursued this course from my workplace, so it was all upon them.
Acha. So you didn't have to really spend, but otherwise, if someone has to take up the course, maybe that is some minor amount that they might have to spend on it.
Absolutely. For if you complete the course of basics, it's absolutely free. But when you talk about advanced MS Excel, it's actually a little costly, but it's not very costly. It's only rupees 1,500 to pursue this course.
So now let's come on to having a bit of a deeper dive into the course. Can you just explain a bit about how the curriculum is divided and what are the subsections in the course, and whether you were also required to submit a project or any career support you got at the end of it? Just go in depth a little bit into the course.
Sure. So because I've already told you about what was the basic structure of the course, the curriculum of the course comprised of important notes for the students. It also comprised of a welcome video, if I remember it correctly. Yes, there was a welcome video for every chapter and or for every newer section, and study material in the form of videos and PDFs. Also there was homework after each segment completion that a student would get, and a quiz to quickly do a self-analysis of how much did you grasp out of the entire video. The best part about the curriculum is that it is self-paced and one can resume it at any time when they have time available with them. So that's the best part about the curriculum.
Okay, so from what I understand that you finish a section and you finish a video or a section of the course, and then you have a short pop quiz, so to say, to go with it, and you can like evaluate what you've learned.
Absolutely. And there are no markings done. It's just for your self-evaluation only.
Okay. Right. So let's go on to a bit into the technicalities of the course. So what were the Excel formula and functions that you came across while you were doing this course? And like any functions and formula that, a data analyst should know from that perspective, which really helped you in data analysis and all.
Right. So some of the common ones which are a must for any student or any beginner or any advanced learner for MS Excel to better their hands on MS Excel include functions such as VLOOKUP that we all commonly know about, pivot, finding syntax errors, navigation and navigating through Excel sheets through various shortcuts, as you may call them. And the best part about it is that you get to know not only for Windows but also for Mac devices as well. Yeah, exactly. So conditional statements such as if, and, or, not, if, error, etc. Conditional formatting, statistical functions such as small, large rank, percentage rank, randomization, etc. So you basically learn into each chapter. There is basically a segregation of how the expert actually talks about all of these very distinctively. And he also gives you a lookout of how you can probably try these onto dummy tables as well. So pretty much all about that we covered in the advanced MS Excel course.
Okay. So you also got some dummy tables to work on so that you have a hands-on practice on what you're learning.
Absolutely.
Okay. That's great. So the next question is did you learn any ways of automating your tasks within this course that made your life easier, or maybe made things easier at your job?
Totally. Like I mentioned earlier, the best part about pursuing this course was it has more to offer than just mere formulas and functions. Chris, I guess is the name of the course designer. Who's the subject expert at Udemy and the author of the program, who gives various shortcuts or easier ways to automate tasks very easily in a flick or so. So he will not only train you to apply functions and formula syntaxes, but he will also teach you how to think like how the MS Excel thinks. So that's the best part about the expert that he talks about. So you get to think as to how MS Excel would be thinking your actions into that sheet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means you would be able to understand the implications of your actions or the implications of what you're doing way better.
Right. Absolutely. That's what I meant. Correct.
Okay. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Did it also help you with your data representation skills, or was it only that you were taught to apply only the formula and functions and help you with data analysis manipulation? If you could throw some light on that. I mean, it was not just about formulas and functions, but it was also about how we can probably enhance the presentation of data in a much better way. So there are always ways of presenting data, right? So one is a very basic way of presenting any data, but after pursuing this course, I actually came to know about the kinds of ways in which I can actually present data. And because there is so much to data in Excel, then we can probably think about it's a pool of imaginary things that we don't even think in our daily lives that is actually possible in MS Excel. Okay, any tips or tricks that you thought that you didn't know earlier, it was like a light bulb moment that this is something that I didn't know before.
Right. So I'll tell you, one thing that even happened at work, and one thing that was very new to me was, we all knew how a pie chart is made and how you can probably, go to your insert as an option and select a chart and just go to pie chart and create a pie chart.
Exactly.
But to evaluate the sum and to put a percentage of the
Okay.
value. There is just a simple trick to it. However, people, what they do is like people would probably put a sum total, probably put a formula or a function to make a sum total of the total data representation, and then
Yeah.
probably convert that into a pie chart. But you don't have to do it. There is an easier way of doing it by just clicking on the pie chart, and you just have to deselect the value and select the percentage, and it all automatically gets converted into percentage. So such were the tricks that I learned, and I also helped my colleagues at work who were actually putting a lot of manual efforts into creating their tables and charts, of which I helped them later. So yeah, that was pretty much something that I learned. So such were the important, shortcuts that I learned.
That's great. Like, I think you did not just help yourself with the course, you also helped your colleagues as well. That's good. Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, okay. So, how would you rate the course content? I mean, in out of 5, say, if you want to give a rating.
Honestly, for a tough and complicated course like this, I didn't expect the material to be this comprehensible. Considering the complexities, sometimes the super complexities arising in various formulas and functions that arrived in no time, by the way. Everything that is written in the course description is what a student basically is served. Sometimes even more than what it is promised in the course, because of the shortcuts and new things that you actually learn in the MS Excel, as I talked about. So in my opinion, I'd probably be able to, I think I will rate it 9 out of 10.
Okay, that's good. Like, it seems like a very, very useful course for someone.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Also, I want to talk a little about the subject quiz of the course. The study material includes a subject quiz and a homework for the student to finish, only after which one can jump onto the next chapter. At times what happens is you're watching the video, but your mind shifts focus, and that's when you miss a couple of things here and there. And the best thing about the course is that you're given dummy data also to try, as I told you earlier, to try new learned formulas and functions. So you don't have to worry about getting the dummy data at all. So the expert already gives you, as part of the homework, the dummy data, and you can probably try your hands on to it. So yeah,
okay, so they make sure that before you move on to the next chapter, you are well versed with the previous one. If I'm not
absolutely
wrong.
absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what it's promised.
Okay, that's great. And who would be the right audience to choose this course? Is it only for is it for beginners, or is it, since it's an advanced Excel course, or do you need to have some background experience into Excel?
I don't think so. I mean, I would recommend this course to almost everyone who thinks they're good with Excel, but there is something or the other that you'll take home as a learning post completion of this course. So it certainly made my life very easy and helped me analyze data even better. So I'm sure it'll help anybody or everybody. So everybody should definitely go through this course and try their hands on to advanced formulas and functions, for sure.
Okay. That's good. So how has it impacted your career, or your job on a day-to-day basis? I think you've already thrown a lot of light on how it has made things easier for you. But any major career impact you think that it has brought on?
So, honestly speaking, this course actually has affected my career in a really positive way. Because there are times, when my manager and senior manager is loaded up with heavy amount of data to sort. You can guess who's to their rescue. So at times, then the new joinees and the other members of the team made manual efforts, like I told you, into data analysis and sorting tables. But with time, I was able to, help them sort it with the help of just a function or a formula, that it takes, and just 5 seconds. It has helped me help others, which should be an ideal co-worker's goal to achieve. And I guess I pretty much am able to. So that's what that's the impact of this course so far. And I think I'm really glad that I pursued this course.
Oh, okay. So like in your team, you have become the go-to person if someone has an Excel problem in their life.
Absolutely, I have.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Lalit. This was a very, very nice and interactive discussion, I think. And I'm pretty sure that it is going to help a lot of people who are probably looking for the right course in Excel. And thank you so much for taking all the time for this.